This 2-minute tutorial is part 3 in our series all about holds. This video will look at how to manage holds in a patron's record, including how to cancel a held item. Please make sure to review the accompanying handout. The following actions can be performed from the Holds Held tab in a patron's record. This tab lists holds the patron is currently waiting for, recently canceled holds, and holds that went unclaimed. Staff and patrons may cancel holds with the statuses of requested, paused, locating, and, starting with Polaris version 6.5, shipped holds in the pack or in Leap. To cancel a hold in Leap, select the hold you wish to cancel. Once selected, the Cancel button will activate. Click Cancel. The canceled hold information will remain in a patron's record for a set period of time, currently set to 14 days. If a patron decides they would like to be placed back on the list for that title, select the title and select Reactivate. The hold is now active again. If there is a waiting list for the title, know the patron will be placed back in the queue based on the date they originally placed their hold. To completely delete a request, a hold must first be canceled. Select Canceled Hold and select Delete. The hold record is completely removed from the database and cannot be reactivated. If a patron does not pick their hold up within the given time frame, the hold status will change from ready for pickup to unclaimed. Unclaimed holds will keep the status until the hold is checked in, at which point it will then become canceled. Holds can be tracked for the patron by checking them in. An item is scanned and the relevant information will appear in a pop-up. Staff may also fill a hold for the patron immediately by using the Fill Now option. To use Fill Now, staff must have an item in their hands. In the Patron's Holds Held tab, select the hold and select Fill Now. Scan the item's barcode in the box and click OK. The item status is now ready for pickup and waiting to be picked up. To cancel an item that is currently on the hold shelf waiting to be picked up, scan the item in check-in. A pop-up will appear alerting staff that the item is being held for a patron. Continue to hold the item. Select Yes if the item should remain on the hold shelf for the patron. Select No if the held item should be removed. Once No is selected, the hold is removed from the patron's record. If the item fills a different hold or needs to be set in transit, an additional pop-up will appear with instructions. This has been a 2-minute tutorial on managing holds in a patron's record. If you have any questions, please contact help@ccslib.org.